Alright, so what we're doing today is we're cooking asparagus. And what Linda did is she took one, they were like over here, I mean, this is not exactly a one, and she snapped and she figured out where they snapped, and you can see they all snap pretty much close together. So then after that we cut it. These are pretty good raw, I mean, you know, they're kind of fiberish, but anyway, whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook them in a frying pan, this one here, and I'm going to show you that over the heat. After that, I'm going to introduce you to a new type of sauce, a Kumquat tofu sauce that will lay over the top of it and then make it very attractive for your guests and your family. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Use the boiling water to cook the asparagus in, and that gives it a little bit of extra flavor.
Looks like the water's all ready, Linda.
So let's get our asparagus, drop them in.
Well, don't just drop them in, just kind of lay them there a little bit. You don't want any of that water all over you.
You want them all under the water.
Yeah, you can take one of the, you can take a utensil.
Timer, 2 minutes.
And then we'll just drop this one in. Okay, they're not all underneath. Oh, Linda's so brave, she's putting her finger in there.
No biggie.
No biggie, right. Okay, alright, so now we're going to make the sauce. I have about 2 cups here of kumquats that was frozen from the kumquat tree, and what I did is I'm going to show you real quickly what it looks like. What we're going to do is we're going to try to mince this down to absolutely nothing, and what I'm trying to do is get a cream. I'll probably have to put some water in it, so let's try that next. Oh yeah, I'll be doing that too. So then we're just going to pulse it. Okay, the next step is to take, this is Fusia organic tofu, extra firm. Oh, so we got this from Aldi's. You can tell because it's got the double guarantee coupon. Let's see, right over here. Alright, so see the asparagus are all ready. And what we're going to do is we're also going to cook the stems here, because I actually enjoy the stems. But you know, you can make soups with them, there's a lot of things you can do with these stems. You don't have to throw these away.
And especially asparagus soup is yummy.
Okay, so but we're going to use some of these asparagus. Linda's going to take some, and I'm going to put my special sauce over it. Alright, so what I've done, I've zoomed in a little bit so you can see this. So what you do here is you have your vegetable plate, and what you're doing is just going to put a little bit on top, like so. If this was a little bit more liquidy, you can make it a little bit more decorative. And just like that, you don't need much. But if you wanted to drown it, you could, of course, drown it. Here, I'll give you an example. You could add a little bit more over here, make a wide pattern. You can make it kind of different decorative designs. So that's what we're really showcasing today, is the kumquat and the extra firm tofu sauce on top of asparagus. You can see how smooth and creamy the sauce is. What I'm doing is I'm trying to remove it from here. And so I'm going to save this to add to maybe a beverage or something else that I want to cook. But you can see that this is very delicious sauce. Now if you do make this on your own and you do use kumquats, do try to remove the seeds. Unless you have a very, very powerful blender, the seeds don't bother you, leave them in. But what I did is I left the seeds in, and it just completely removed, it crushed everything down, and I came out with this beautiful sauce. Now it's going in the fridge for later. Don't forget to take your spare tofu and put water in it and put it in the fridge. Still a little bit left on that plate over there, but that's probably Linda's. Again, thank you for watching, and we always look forward to seeing you in our videos. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.